No, because that's the funnest part. Just don't drop it, bro.
This is Austin's revving on his Ford piece of crap truck. Hopefully he doesn't blow my eardrums off. Is that all you got?
It's got a rev limiter at 5.
That sucks. That's Ford for you. Lots of smoke, but no talk.
It needs a glass back.
Oh yeah, let's try my Toyota. You know, Toyota might not be a real man's truck to some people's standards, but at least mine doesn't have that stupid limiter on there.
Hey, at least this thing will spin tires doing.
Well, you know what? Mine's gonna sound way better. So just once you can't.
Especially with your glass pack, right?
Yeah, man.
Dude, rev the ball bag offer.
Hey, hit end on this video because I want this one to be strictly my truck.
It's extremely cold out here. We got a 2006 Toyota Tundra. We're revving the video before we put the glass pack on it.
Alright, here you go.
Give her some balls! Woo! We'll see what she sounds like with the glass pack on this bitch. We got the Tundra with no exhaust off. We got the exhaust off.
Are you ready? Dude, this startup sounds good.
Woo! Give her a rev! Oh,
that was it.
shit!
That was it too.
Oh, dude, give her a quick one, just like fucking.
Alright. God, okay. Right.
Oh shit! Dude, that sounds fucking bad.
Alright, we got.
Oh.
What are we doing?
Idling.
What'd your mom say?
I was told her to take my camera when it was done, but she said no.
Wait, to do what?
To take this in because I don't want it outside in the cold.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, we're still good to give her some revs.
Alright. There you go. This is a straight pipe. You gotta show what it sounds like turning on because it sounds good.
Give her balls!
That's at 4.5.
Does it go to 4 without rev limiting?
4.5.
Oh crap.